It is with profound sadness that we announce the passing of our beloved Alpha Rabbi Riviere from Soufrière, who resided in Vieux. He passed away at his residence at approximately 8 p.m. on Wednesday, 11 January 2023, at the age of 41. He was predeceased by his mother, Anne-Marie Riviere of Soufrière, his sister, Ashania Riviere, left to mourn, father, Lawrence Prefort Deligny, a sculptor at Anchasney, stepmother, Camilla William of Victoria, three brothers, Makiba Riviere, also known as Rice, a barber of Soufrière and family, Aminadab Deligny, also known as Ibad, and family of Bellevue Choiseul, Aaron Riviere and family, sisters, Michelle Riviere and family of Dennery, Malika Jabatis of Marcel, girlfriend, Dora Joseph of Vieux, step children, Nasha Joseph and family of Vieux, Wilma Joseph and family of Vieux, Taj Joseph, also known as Grease, Kermani Jabatis, Kai Alexander, Sean Joseph, Richard Joseph, all of Vieux, aunts, Mavis Deligny and family of the U.S., Patricia Butcher and family of Victoria Choiseul, uncles, Alson Butcher and family of Victoria, Clive Deligny and family of Mico, Stanford Deligny and family of Bellevue, Choiseul, Clifton Deligny and family, grandaunt, Mamie Riviere and family of Soufrière, step-brothers and sister, Thaddeus William and family of the U.S., Hartley Felix and family of Victoria, Pearline William and family of the U.S., nieces and nephews both here and abroad, many cousins here and abroad too numerous to mention, including Joan Deligny of Victoria Choiseul, Lovina Sanson of Bellevue Choiseul, Sabina Matthew of Florida, Luvisca Payne of the U.S., Julian Butcher of Victoria, brother-in-law, Dalton Joseph and family of Vieux, sisters-in-law, Lillian Joseph and family, Andrian Joseph and family, Eve Dantes and family, Anthea Joseph and family, all of Vieux, best friends, Peter Lawrenson, also known as Rapp of Soufrière, Andrew Joseph, also known as Metkai of Barons Drive, Soufrière, Nama and Queen Joseph, also known as Saint-Cochon of Vieux, the West Side crew of Vieux, the Barons Drive crew of Soufrière, the management and staff at Genesis Bar in Soufrière. Also left to mourn, the family of the deceased Mary Butcher of Leclerc Castries, Gertrude Sanson of Bellevue Choiseul, the Deligny family of Choiseul, Castries and abroad, the Riviere family of Soufrière and abroad, the Sainte Marie family, the Labadie family, the Butcher family, too many relatives and friends, too numerous to mention, both here and abroad. The funeral service for the late Alpha Rabbi Riviere will be held at the St. Teresa's Chapel in Bruceville, Vieux, on Sunday, 19 February 2023 at 2:30 p.m. Thereafter, his body will be interred at the Latuni Cemetery in Vieux. Please note, the following buses will be transporting people to the funeral. M208 will be leaving from Soufrière, M1049 from Victoria, and M364 from Montjac. All buses leave at 1 p.m. The body now lies at Lazarus Funeral Home, New Dock Road, Vieux. May he rest in perfect peace.